All right, the person calling from the 504 number. How you doing?
What's up, Prince? It's Max.
Max!
What's up, Prince?
What's going on, Max?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, man. How about you? How you doing out there, Max?
I'm doing wonderful, man. I'm just enjoying the year.
You enjoying the year?
Knowledge you giving, man.
All right. Now I gotta ask you, do you know the question? What's the difference between a 10K and a 10Q?
Of course, I'm an investigational student. I know that question off the back of my hand. The 10K is the yearly report. Shows you everything we've been through, how the company did through the ups and downs. The 10Q is the quarterly report. Let us know how we did for 3 months. Let us know what we going on. What our plans is until the year over. Yeah.
1 second. I got everybody else on mute. Max B, he got in first at 504. He was the first number that came through. I know I see we got about 4 people. But Max, you all right. That is correct. I know you probably going to get it right. So what's your cash app?
You know what, Prince?
You don't have cash app.
I would like to pass the 40 on to someone else and bless them and give me a mug, man.
So you want to pass the 40 on to somebody else and get you an investor show mug?
Yep.
Now, when you get these investor show mug, you know you're going to
like a mug.
Okay. So we're going to go to the So Max B, man, thanks for calling in. I appreciate you for following the show throughout the year. I'm glad you know that 10K read like the back of your hand. So when you get that investor show mug, you're going to read 10K reports 10 times better, right? And
I already know.
but I appreciate you for supporting. I'm going to go to the next person, whoever the next caller is. I'm going to give them the $40. All right?
I'll be tuning in.
All right. Appreciate it, man. All right. So who is on from 904? Who is on from? Let me unmute you.
Lucky's mom.
Who is this?
Lucky's mom.
Lucky's mom. Hey, how you doing? Jacksonville, Florida. Congratulations.
Yes. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Thank you for tuning in. You know, like you probably heard earlier, Max B said that he just wanted an investor show mug and he wanted to pass on the $40 to somebody else. So if you give me your cash app, I will send that to you right now.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Max.
But I got to ask you anyway, what's the difference between a 10K and a 10Q report?
The 10K is annual and the 10Q is quarterly.
Okay. Now, where can we get it from?
Is I think it's the income statement.
Where can, if I want to find a company's 10K report or 10Q report, how can I find it?
Oh, the site, the SEC.gov.
See, there you go. All right, like his mom. Okay. But go ahead and give me, let me log on to my Cash App. Right. And make sure I do this right. Okay. So what is your Cash App?
Okay, it's $ capital CHAUN.
Let me see. CHAN. CHAUN. Okay.
TELLE.
TELLE. Okay.
That's Chantel.
Let me make sure. Okay, you had a TE. I'm sorry. So CHAUNTELLE.
I'm gonna put it in the
So make sure you got this right. Make sure.
Because I know my first name is like really long. It's different, but I put it in the chat.
Okay. Yes, go ahead and put it in the chat. Let me see if I can see it pop up. See if it'll pop up. Okay, all right, there it is. CHAUNTELLE Woods. Okay. Okay. Make sure I got that right. Congratulations. Did you get it?
Let me see. Not yet. Oh, I just got it. Thank you.
You just got it. Congratulations. Thank you for tuning in. I know you got that Southwest Airlines stock. Congratulations to you. Thanks for tuning in.
Yes.
And I appreciate, let me tell me something you like and dislike about the show before we get into the next question.
What I like about the show a lot, to be honest with you, so I have a degree in finance, and I've learned a lot more on this show than I have in my actual investing class that I had to take in school. I just like how you break things down to a simple level. It's not you don't make it hard. So it's just easy to understand. That's what I like about it the most. Dislikes, to be honest, I don't really have any because, like I say, I learned so much on this show, so I really don't have any dislikes at all.
Thank you. Well, congratulations to you, and thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the show, and hopefully I can continue to add value. And as we read those financial reports and make good investments, and I'm going to do a show about one last thing. I know you're a Southwest Airlines investor. How did the government make millions of dollars from Southwest Airlines?
How did the government make millions of dollars from Southwest Airlines? Oh, gosh.
Now, one of the things is stock warranties. So remember when they bailed out Southwest Airlines?
Yes.
When they bailed them out, they said we had the ability to be able to buy Southwest Airlines stocks for $37. So for the next 5 years, the government can go in and buy something like 300,000 shares of Southwest Airlines for $35, right? So when Southwest Airlines went over $35, $37, all of that is pure profit from the government. So that was one of the bailout stipulations. So when the bailout came, they said, hey, we're going to give you this money, but in return, we want warranties. We want the ability. At this time, Southwest Airlines was only $30. And they said, the government saying, we want the ability to be able to buy your stock for $37 for the next 5 years. That right there was a great indicator that stock was going to go over $37 within the next 5 years. So as say again.
I said, wow.
Yep. And I'm going to do an episode on that. I'm going to talk about that, but that's called stock warranties, where they wanted the ability to be able to buy Southwest Airlines stocks back in a way to pay them back, not just loaning out money. So that's something I give Steve Munch. When they bailed those companies out, they also bought the right to get them back.
Wow, that is smart.
Mm-hmm.
But not only are they making sure that the stock goes up, they're making sure that they can make money off the stock for years to come.
Exactly. And when you got the federal government with an unlimited bankroll telling you, hey, they have an invested interest of these companies going up and beyond and beyond. But this is something I did back when they did the bailouts. But you can find that out on the 10Q report back in about that April, May timeframe. And I'm going to do an episode to come back and tell people, because I did it back then, but I want to come back and do it again to tell people why I felt so bullish on Southwest. They did it for Delta as well, but that was another reason to go bullish with Southwest, because the federal government had an invested interest.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. All right, thank you very much, and have a happy holiday, and thank you for supporting the Investor Show.
Thank you, and thank you again. And thank you, Maxie. Merry Christmas, everyone.
All right, Merry Christmas. Equity. How to calculate shareholders' equity. Call in live, 657-390-7056. If you can get that right, I'm giving it away. I'm giving away $40 cash right here. I'm going to cash app you right now. If you can tell me what is shareholders' equity, how to calculate that. I'll give you, it's on the balance sheet, right? It's on the balance sheet. You're going to take something and you're going to subtract something and you're going to come up with shareholders' equity. What is that? So right here live, who's the live caller? 310. The number 310. You're live. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, what up, friends? This is Gerald.
Gerald, what's going on, Gerald? You're live on the Investor Show, man. First, I want to say Merry Christmas to you. And I want to say Merry Christmas to you. And do you know how to calculate the shareholders' equity? What do I have to subtract?
You have to subtract the total assets minus the liabilities. That's how you get the basically the shareholders' equity.
I wish I had some sound effects. I got to upgrade and say ding, 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 ding. That is correct. Shareholders' equity. You take the total assets and you subtract the total liabilities and you come up with shareholders' equity. That is correct. That is correct, Gerald. Thank you for that. And today, what is your Cash App?
So, Prince, I don't have a Cash App, actually. I have PayPal. That's fine.
Okay. Let me see here. PayPal. All right. Gerald got to be all difficult. So, but we're going to work it out. Gerald, where you calling in from?
This is from Los Angeles, California.
LA. Okay. How things are going out there in LA?
So far, so good.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Gerald. What do you like about the Investor Show? What do you don't like about the Investor Show?
So I do like the fact that you give your honest opinion about stocks and what you like, what you dislike. I go ahead and actually, based on what you say on the Investor Show, I go ahead and look up those companies that you mentioned, and the example you gave for the Target versus Walmart, and which one, that was a good one. I went ahead and looked it up, and I actually put some money forward to buy some a little bit of both, actually, because those companies are not going anywhere,
Mm-hmm. That's smart. Okay, I'm logging into my PayPal right now. Let me. Okay, let's go to. What's your mobile number or email address? Or your email address or whatever.
Yeah, I have the email address.
Okay.
It's going to be G1.
G1. Is it G number one? Or
Yeah, the G and then the
one.
The number.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
59.
59.
08.
08.
80 at gmail.com.
80. Got some encrypted crap going on here, Gerald. What's going on with that?
No, it's just an old number that I used to have.
All right. No problem. Make sure you got it. Review there.
Appreciate it.
I want to make sure you got it before I get you off the line. I don't want people to think that I'm some scam artist that is saying he's going to give somebody something, and I'm a man of my word, Gerald. That's all I got in the world is my word. Relations. Hopefully I didn't do that wrong, but okay. And 4. All right. A second. Give me 1 second. Make sure I got this right. Seven, 5, 6. Okay. All right. Let me know when you got it.
Just got it. Thank you so much, Prince.
No problem. And you know what? Thank you for tuning into the Investor Show. Thank you for giving your honest feedback. And you guys and girls, by tuning in, and sometimes sitting on this side of the room, I just see numbers. But I have to realize, these numbers are real people, right? So this is my way to say thank you. So thank you this is what keeps me going. So this is my way to say thank you. Happy holidays. All right.
Happy holidays. Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it, Gerald. Later. What are the 3 sections? All right. So the next question is, what are the 3 sections of the financial statement? There are 3 sections to it. When you look at it, there's a such and such statement, a such and such statement, and a such and such statement. You got to call in live 657-390-7056. That is 657-390-7056. All right. So we have who is 257. 257. You are live on the Investor Show. How you doing?
How you doing? This is P.D. Young.
This is who? P.D. Young.
P.D. Young.
What's going on? Pensacola.
What's going on? Pensacola, Central Texas in the house.
Okay, Central Texas. Okay, got it. Now, P.D. Young, you better know this. You're always on the Investor Show. I see you tuning in. Go ahead and make me proud. What are the three financial statements? What are the three financial statements? Go ahead.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flows.
Woo! Look at that. Say it one more time.
Income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flows.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That is the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. What's your 1 second here? What is your Cash App?
My Cash App is on 1 second. Let me make sure I get it right. It's P.D. Young, as in like Papa Delta and YOUNG.
Okay,
P.D. And the word speaks. So P.D. Young speaks.
Speaks.
That's P.D. YOUNG SPEAKS. P.D. Young speaks.
Preston? That's you?
Yes.
Got it.
That's me.
All right. Write your little note here. Congratulations. So you're down there in Central Texas, right?
Yeah, I'm actually at Fort Hood. That's where I work.
Oh, Fort Hood.
So, but I'm from Pensacola, though. Yeah.
Nice. So when you go to Fort, just thinking about it, it's a place called I think it's We Books United on Fort Hood. They just picked up the whole entire Wesley Learn series. So next year on Fort Hood, Wesley Learn series will be there at the We Books United, I think it's called. So yeah.
Okay. I'll find that out and make sure I promote that, man, because my kids has all your stuff.
Oh, so I gotta get you that honest opinion. Since you have all of my stuff, is it trash? Is it good? Is it bad? How can Prince get better? Let me know.
No, it's good because my kids share the information with their friends, and their friends' parents have come to talk to me about it. And that was when we were here and when we were in California less than a year ago. So I love it. I've been looking for something like that for years. And it has my sons and I were highly engaged in financial conversations. And also I have a godbrother, Darian Mixon, who listens to you also. So it's been great for us.
Nice. So what is you like about the Investor Show?
Okay, what I like about the show is I initially found you on YouTube because I wanted to know how to open up a FedEx account. an E-Trade account.
Okay.
And so that's how I initially found your show. I love it. The content is great. You break it down to where beginners can understand. And then you also make us advance in the process. But what I don't like about it is sometimes you go live while I'm at work. And I can't listen to you, but that's it. I mean, I know you do record it, and we can go back and listen. So that is great. But I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna tell you this: I'm gonna take these $40 and I'm gonna invest them. And if I triple it, I'm gonna put all the money back into the mugs because I want to invest back into you because you have invested so much into me, my friends, my children, and my wife. I really thank you, man. Words can't describe it.
I appreciate it. You know what, man? How's that Uber stock looking?
Oh, it's looking great. It's looking good, man. I'm $22 over with my godbrother, and I'm 35 over when I first went into it. So it's making me look like a genius, man. But I do believe in Uber. I was in California for 5 years. We were Uber heads, and I'm looking forward to the future with them.
Nice, man. I got so much grief about that. So many people call me idiots, man. I wish I would just show my emails of like the crazy stuff I get. I mean, some people mad at me for podcasts. I'm like, you don't have to listen to me, right? You could just you don't have to. It's a billion other things to listen to. But the thing about it, what I love about finances is it's undisputable. It's undisputable. You can't see it.
Yeah.
I can sit here and say what I want to say, but everybody can look it up. Anybody. YouTube. So the question is, do you have to pay taxes on dividends? I own Apple stock. I receive dividends throughout the year. Do I have to pay taxes? Call in live. If you get it right, we're going to send you $40 cash app. All right. So, all righty here. So we're going to go to 623. 623, you live on the Investor Show.
Hey, how you doing, Prince? This Petrie.
Petrie
forever.
Oh, Petrie forever. Petrie
forever. What's going on, bro?
He said he was on the big screen. He was going to get that $40 tonight. So,
oh my God. What's the question again?
So, do you have to, if I own Apple stock throughout the year and I receive the dividend payment every quarter, do I have to pay taxes on that?
Yeah, of course you got to pay taxes.
Okay. I wish I had a little bell. Ding, 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 ding. That is correct. Why is that important for an investor to know?
Why is it important for investors to know? You got to pay taxes on it. It's just important. It's something you really not into yourself. Compounding interest. It makes your money grow faster. I know it does suck to pay taxes, but it is what it is.
So if you don't pay taxes, what is that called? If I own, let's say you own Apple, you're paying taxes. But I owned Amazon, and my stock has grown, and I haven't sold it. What is that called? Start with a D. You're doing what to your taxes?
Oh my God, don't let me get stumped on this one.
This is just extra credit.
What's it called when you don't have to pay taxes on it? I'm trying to hear you correctly.
Yeah, don't have to pay taxes, but you are, let's say if I brought Amazon and you brought Apple, you had Apple all year long and you paid dividends on Apple, right? But I had Amazon all year long, right? So you pay taxes on Apple. I don't have to pay taxes on Amazon. That is a form of doing what to my taxes? What am I doing to my taxes? I'm what? Starts with a D.
Like deferring it.
There you go.
I'm close.
You got it. Deferring.
Did I get that right?
You got it right. You're deferring, right?
Yeah. You're basically deferring. Yeah.
You're pushing your taxes off to another year instead of paying them right now. But that is correct.
Right.
What is your cash app?
It's that dollar sign, and then it's capital H,
okay,
OW, ARD, and then it's capital P, I, TRE. It's Howard Petrie with the capital H and capital P.
Make sure. Okay, Howard Petrie is PI.
T.
1 second. Oh, PIT. Okay. PIRE. Oh, let me make sure. Okay, say that one more time.
It's the last name?
Yes.
Or the everything?
Last name.
It's capital P as in Paul, I as in ice cream, T as in Tom, R as in Robert, E as in Eric. Just the P is capital.
Got it. I got you. All right. So tell me, what do you like about the Investor Show? What do you don't like about it?
Man, I love everything about it. I actually stumbled across you earlier this year in the beginning. Very funny. It's just a funny story. I was trying to set up my ACH my direct deposit transfers from my bank through TD Ameritrade. I'm searching. Soon as I Googled it, your video came up on, the how to do. To link that ACH transfer up on TD Ameritrade, and I watched the video, and it led to another video. Then you started going live, and I started tuning in and sitting back in the audience, and
you know, it's just a real good show. No complaints, no dislikes about it. You know, you've taught me a lot, especially when it comes to those for show dough investments, you know. So that's what I like about it.
Versatile. Now, if you don't got a for show dough, what is that? What's the name of that bus? What's the name of that bus?
You mentioned this. Hold on, bear with me. You gotta excuse me. I'm getting a little tipsy on the wine here. You used to say this all the time. I know it ain't the yellow bus. You call it something. Oh my God, this is back over the summertime.
Yeah.
You should say, I forgot. Was it Raggedy Bus? Was it Dirty Bus? It was something funny, and I would just crack up all the time and laugh about it.
It's the struggle.
Oh my God! Throw me a hint.
The struggle bus. The struggle.
The struggle bus. There you go. The struggle bus. That absolutely. Yeah.
You know, everybody kind of wish and hope on the struggle bus, but that was a funny thing about it. But I was saying, hey, some companies just for show though. You remember back in when the pandemic hit. Everybody called me, should I sell my Disney? Should I get rid of my airline? Should I blah, blah, blah? I said, hey, look, this is the time to be doubling down if you can. Because it was very scary as an investor in March when we had this pandemic just break out. We don't know why it broke out. We don't know how it broke out. We didn't know how long it was going to last, how bad it was going to be. But, you know, if you stayed in there, you continue to invest, right? You continue to invest. You're a very happy person right now. Now you look like a genius, right?
Right.
The one company I was wrong on this year was Zoom. I sold Zoom for a loss, but all the other ones were winners. So I take that one loss. I cut my winners quick, and I kept my winners around. So I'll take that. I'm happy with that. But I want to say, you know, out there in Phoenix, I know I see you tuning in. I know I see your name. I want to say
every day.
Oh yeah. I want to say thank you for supporting the show. I'm here in my basement. I've been putting out content now for 7 years. And to me, I don't get to see the people. I don't get to talk to the people. It just feel like, you know, from my end, it's just numbers and names and things like that or whatnot. So I'm glad to hear your voice, to actually, you know, connect with me and to say thank you.
Absolutely. And congrats again on the 40K. You know, just keep doing it. Keep doing your thing. I'm here being supportive as much as I can. I work nights, but finally got the day off, Christmas Eve. I finally linked my YouTube on my phone to my big screen so I can kick back on the bed with my headset on and press the phone down to get in, and I finally got through. So finally, congrats.
So, and then congratulations to you, man. You just made, you know, you just sit there, put your headphones on, and got $40. That ain't a bad deal, right? You know, ain't a bad gig.
Absolutely.
But it's the least I can do for the holidays to say thank you to, you know, hitting that 40 grand. So hopefully when I hit 50 grand, I'll do the same thing over again this time next year.
Absolutely. Happy holidays to you and yours. Merry Christmas, and happy holidays to everybody that's listening, all the viewers, listeners, people who chime in every day. Salute.
Appreciate it. P for life.
Yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Happy holidays. Lock up period means. What is the lock up period? Call in right now. 657-390-7056. Call in to 657-390. What is the lockup period? Tell me what it is, and $40 is yours. All right. So number 410, you're live. How you doing? You're live on the Investor Show.
Hey, Prince, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing? What's your name? Where you calling from?
Gary Wallace calling from Annapolis, Maryland.
Maryland in the house. What's your name again?
Gary Wallace.
Gary Wallace. Okay. Gary, what's going on, Gary? All right, Gary.
Nothing much.
You in the hot seat.
I appreciate it. Yeah, the lockup period is in reference to IPOs, and that's the time that the initial investors can't sell their stocks until that lockup period is over.
Nice.
So when it goes public on the market, after that lockup period, they'll be able to offload those shares that they got.
Now, what is why can't you? Why is that important to investors? Why do I care?
Well, they have some, I guess, philosophies on Wall Street that after that lockup period, that sometimes the stock might deflate or drop in price and things. So you want to just be cognizant of that when you're investing and that you're coming up on that period. That might be a good time to get into the market or into that specific stock.
Nice. Okay. So right here, what's your Cash App?
Cash App is $ Summer Hills 99.
Summer Hills is plural with S?
Yes, with the S.
99?
Yes.
There he is. So Gary, tell me, what do you like about the Investor Show? What do you like? What do you don't like? Is Prince an idiot? Is the show horrible? What is he good at? What is it?
I've been following you for a while now. Like all your videos, give you comments, some feedback. The thing I like the most is the consistency, and that most of your videos are in the short format. So you look at some of these other people that are doing financial advice, and they got 40 and 60-minute videos. You know, you don't have time all the time to watch through all of that content. But your videos are mostly straight to the point. I like that. And you started doing the podcast. I really love those. You getting talking to the investors and CEOs and things like that. I really enjoyed the one with the Red Robin CEO, and she was talking about how she's going to get the tattoo. So I really appreciate that information. I really don't have any critiques. I just keep it up. Really enjoy you, and I like how you give it to us.
Nice.
And, I just appreciate you, President. As somebody trying to get into the financial industry, you're just somebody I look up to, and I like that you're doing it independent, doing it from the ground up, and just so many things from my end, man. I can't really tell you everything right now.
All right, appreciate it. Definitely appreciate that. Did you get your $40?
Yes, sir. It came right through.
Merry Christmas, man. Happy holidays, Gary. Thank you for calling out there from Maryland. I think we had Maryland. We had somebody in Maryland win. We had somebody in LA win. We had somebody in Central Texas win. And who else won? Yeah, P for Life. He just got off the line. He run from Arizona. So there we go. We had East Coast. We had the West Coast. We had the South all in here tonight. I like to hear that. You know, I like to hear real voices, real people, because you're 100% right. I remember when I started, I didn't have one like, one share, one subscriber, 0, right? 100% independent since 2013. You know, did everything independent, you know, education, school, formal, informal, all of the good stuff like that. So I definitely, if it wasn't for people like you, Gary, I wouldn't be here.
All right, I appreciate it, Prince. Have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
All right, see ya.
All right.